And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever.
Good morning, you guys. So today is I never know what day it is, y'all. Today is Wednesday. So we are on our day 4 countdown to Christmas. So on our agenda today, I'm actually gonna go grocery shopping. I'm not gonna get a whole lot of things, but I am gonna get some things that I need, like some fruit, some berries and stuff like that. I'm gonna get Kason a few things that he can snack on while we're out these 2.5 weeks. And that's pretty much it. I was gonna go to the gym this morning. Of course, I was gonna take you guys with me, but I forgot that on Wednesdays, it's like my off day. And y'all, last week I did not work out how I should have at all. So my ass and my legs, my whole bottom half, sis, it's still hurting from Monday, okay? So I definitely need the break. I'm like, you know what? We're gonna take this break, because you do have to give your muscles a chance to relax so that they can actually grow and not just work the hell out of them. So I'm just eating me some breakfast right now, y'all. I don't have any fruit or anything, so this is just some 000 yogurt. This is the yogurt that I like, y'all. It's just a regular unsweetened, 0 sugar, whatever, girl. It's vanilla flavored. And then I just put some of this in it, the kind granola with flax seeds. I want to get me some chia seeds, because for some reason I thought this had chia seeds in it, but it does not. And I gotta get some milk. I gotta remind myself to get some almond milk. Before I even go, girl, I really need to make me a grocery list. For sure. I want to put me on some perfume. Something on my hands smell good, and it made me want to go put some perfume on. All that perfume, and I don't even wear it. I should be wearing perfume every day. Promise y'all. So I'm gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna see you guys in the car or in the store.
Call me when you're ready for trips and dates. I can't text all day, bitch.
Look, call me when you're ready for trips and dates. I can't text all day, bitch.
Oh, it's definitely getting cold out here. It's getting cold as hell. Yeah, it's for sure getting cold. Y'all, I woke up at 12 o'clock. It is now 2 o'clock, girl. It's 2 o'clock. Y'all, I've been trying to sleep in a little bit, but also not get too far off my schedule. Because when I do that, when it's time to go back to work, honey, it will not be looking good for me. Okay? And it's about to rain. Are you kidding me? The moment I want to go to the store, it's gonna rain. Let me look at the weather, because girl, we may be grocery shopping tomorrow. Okay? It's not like I have to get a whole lot of stuff, but I do need the rain to not do this to me right now. Then I got this middle part. Leave out. You know what? We're not even gonna worry about it. I think I'm gonna pick me up a rotisserie chicken too, because I think I want to have one for dinner. I got some tuna. I made some tuna yesterday for like a snack, but well, not a snack, but my lunch. So when I get back home, I'm probably gonna eat lunch, since I just ate that yogurt. All right. I don't even know what store I want to go to. I don't know if I want to go to Walmart or if I want to go to Publix. Think about just doing Walmart because it's closer. Yeah.
Yeah, you can sing if you want, but not on me, baby. Niggas can't touch me. Apply the pressure with the VVS. I drive the phone like it was a Chevy. Drive the phone like it was a Chevy. We're the one that kept it cool without the niggas till these niggas start acting. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. Hey, you better put that pussy on me. I ain't gonna say a word, I know you fuck with my little homie, bitch. Put that pussy on me like a hoodie in the wintertime.
Dang! How they gonna mess up my music like that? Hello? Headed to Walmart. Why want to rain now? Is it raining where you at?
Yeah, the Walmart.
I'm about to go to Walmart. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Okay. And then after I'm gonna call you after I put my groceries up. No, I'm just gonna grab a few items. I'm just gonna grab a few things, and I'm gonna run into the Dollar Tree and get the stuff that we talking about. Yeah, I know. I know how to do it. I'm a whole mama.
Bye.
Bye. I'm screaming, y'all. So after I leave Walmart, I gotta go
Give me
into
mine. Her mama sister wanna fuck me. TT.
gotta get in line. WWE, WD.
DDT. Had to go cut on the AC. Gave her some water.
But anyways, y'all, I have to go get like some Christmas stuff, like wrap some gifts and stuff for some kids, like for one of my friends. Like I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, get the gift wrap and all of this stuff, and I think I need to get one more roll for me to wrap case and stuff. Oh, I need to call them back and ask do they have clothes, because if they got clothes then they gonna need like the little you know, like the little clothes boxes. Damn, it's really finna get down out here. It's really about to rain. Like that's what it's giving, honey.
Bring that ass to me. Bitch, you mine. Fuck your nigga. Purr pussy. 69. Let me eat it while you looking.
Yeah.
Chocolate bitch. Pussy bacon like some cookies.
Yeah.
Stop that bitch and stop that. If I'm making love to you, bitch, you lucky. We fucking raw, then you my bitches.
Ain't no discussion. Yeah.
Show me while I'm driving. So you done, drop the window, ho we vibe, ho we skate. Beat that pussy, call the charge, domestic violence. Beat that, hey, look, ride me while you smiling.
Yeah.
You can't say you fuck with big dude, ho on.
This is the nastiest song and I love it. I love it. I love this song, y'all, and I got it from TikTok. It's PTPOM 2.0. It's got Moneybag, Big Booby, Mohead Mike. It's lit. I like this song. I've been on TikTok real bad. Real bad. And that's all I'm gonna say. All I'm gonna say is, if you judge me by what you see off TikTok, you just as stupid as the shit that I post. That's what you are. Like, if you really, like, I don't know. I just feel the need to say that. And it's okay to stir the pot sometimes. Sometimes I feel like I definitely stir the pot. And that's cool too. I'm just doing me and doing what the fuck I want to do. How about that? Take it or leave it. Let's go in Walmart, because that's why I decided to go. Because it's closer. And my day got started late as hell, y'all. It's already 2 o'clock. I'm probably going to come out here about 3 o'clock. I hope it's not crazy in here. So, yeah. I smell so good, y'all. I know I said I was going to go, but I smell so good. I have on YSL Mumpatty. I believe it's the floral one. The floral flanker. I don't know. Don't quote me. If I remember, I'm going to show you guys when I get home. But I smell good. Okay, that's what it's giving. Ooh. Walmart is giving. It's packed in here. It's below. That's what it's giving. I need a handicap park. Don't play with me. This thing don't expire to 2027. You see it. And I'm going to use it everywhere I go. Okay? I'm going to use it. Well, this kind of is a good spot right here. You know what? We'll settle for this. This ain't too crazy. Should I put my umbrella up? You know what? I'm just going to put my hood on my head. Ain't nobody got time for that. Split this hair down the middle. And thank God I do have a hood on. This is what we doing. And I'm going grocery shopping like this the whole time. All right, y'all. Let's go.